So the main thing is, guys, that if you want to become something, you must be having a knowledge. You must acquire knowledge. You must acquire your common skills. And the main thing is that without acquiring that type of knowledge and without acquiring the skill, you won't be able to improve yourself. And this is crucial, because if you want to talk about these kind of people who is sitting, who is standing beside you, or who will go in the interview in the same day when you will go, because you know about the population. We are having a dense and a massive amount of people in this country. We are having a dense population. You will get a very tougher competition in a forthcoming time. So you have to prepare yourself that you will be able to compete with that kind of competition. Don't make yourself incompetent. Just make yourself competent, then that you will be able to compete with those people who will sit beside you. It doesn't matter whether it is an interviewer, whether it is a managing director, whether it is a HR. Just burn a fire and then choose whatever you want. The thing is, these are the techniques which I told you earlier. These are the techniques, because without applying all those tactics in your upcoming life or in your present time, you won't be able to see beyond that. You used to say, regarding India, the worst is yet to come. What about your life? What about your lifestyle? Also your lifestyle also, the worst is yet to come. Because you are not thinking like this, that the worst is yet to come. I don't think so. Forget it, guys, but the main thing is that whatever you have done, it doesn't matter, but you have to take a serious step forward now. Because time and tide waits for none. Time and tide waits for none. Time won't wait you. You have to catch the time. Train won't wait you. Train won't go ahead of yours. Or the station master won't go ahead of yours. They will start the train according to their time. If you want to become a passenger of that particular train, so you have to reach there on time. Because if you can't reach there on time, you won't be able to come, you won't be able to go in that particular state. And whatever that ticket you are having, it will become useless. Is that clear? So the main thing is that whatever you are doing, it doesn't mean. But the thing is that if you want to go forward, look forward, become advanced, you have to move in such a, you have to move in such an accelerated mode, in such a speed up mode. You must be having innovative thinking. Innovative thinking. You must be having. Innovative thinking you must be having. Do something new. Create something new. And then you will be able to reach in the highest, to be in the top. What about Yo-Yo? Whatever he did, he started a rap here. He did something new. That's why he's in the top. He didn't follow actually a better track. So main thing is that it doesn't mean there is so many bad, you can evaluate this, that there is so much bad in some particular human and so much good. It depends upon you that you are just evaluating what? A bad things or good things. Just speed up. Create innovative thinking. Take the initiative. Be confident. Make you look spontaneous. And then you will be able to achieve anything. I will hope that you guys will be able to achieve everything in your life, whatever you want. But let me tell you one simple thing. Until or unless you want to hard work, you won't be able to reach there. Because there is no vehicle which drives you there. There is only one vehicle, and that is called hard work. Hard work, and only hard work. That makes you to be there. That makes you to accomplish all of your dreams. That makes you to live like a legend. This is the main reason, because without that, You will live in that particular dense crowd and then a massive crowd. Okay? Just go to and fro in the trains, in the buses, in the street addresses, with the street addresses, with the rickshaw and all these. Make your dreams high, think high, think high, and then just put your heart there. You will be able to reach there by doing your hard work. Everybody knows about it. All your intellectuals, all your professionals, but you don't want to accept the reality. This is the main reason. You don't want. You used to waste your time in gossiping, in such kind of gossiping. You don't need to waste that. I told you earlier, make your market value, and by adding these kind of techniques like facial expressions, like all these kind of posture, gestures, having good shake hand, and all these kind of by adding all these kind of tactics, you will be able to create an innovative thinking. You will be able to become innovative, and when you will create innovative thinking in yourself, then you will be able to make your dreams come true, whatever you want, guys. So, I just want to let you know one simplistic thing, and the thing is, just make your market value. If you can't make your market value, you won't be able to go forward. Just make yourself competent, that you will be competing with any situation, with any kind of status quo. If you are dating with somebody and you can't express yourself in such an effective manner, then what will happen? He will say, "Sir, I don't think so that you will be able to do this." So make yourself in this manner that he won't select you, you will select him. He won't give you a business, you will give him a business. That he will not accept you as his liability. He will accept you as his asset. Be serious, be sincere, be cool and calm, be professional, be a hard worker. And then you will be able to become a legend, and then you will be able to become something in your life, and something will say that, here you can see there, Yogesh is coming. Yogesh, who is having a brilliant startup, is coming there. He won't say, it's Yogesh, father's son is coming. This is the main reason. I'm not saying you have to take the initiative now. But I'm saying that, it is just a very slow process. Wherever wherever you're going, it's a very slow process. It's a very slow process. Okay? Like, you know about the story of tortoise and rabbit. Okay? So, like the tortoise is very long standing and a very slow process. But you have to follow that. By taking a single step forward, then you will take a serious single step forward, then you will be able to achieve your goal. But if you can't take a single step forward, and if you will think from here, then I will be reached there, then you won't be able. And these are the steps. These are the steps which I told you about the body languages, about the principles which I used to tell you. Many times which I used to tell you that these are the steps these are the mandatory steps and the compulsory steps which you have to follow in your preliminary stage. This is the main reason. I will take only 2 minutes of yours, only 2 minutes, and then I will over that. The thing is, firstly, I just want to ask you, Ms. Radha, have you got a fire in your heart till yet? That you want to do? you are just doing a misinformation campaign in front of me, or you are just doing a misinformation campaign in front of all of us. Because you know about it, let me clear you one thing, you know about it, that in a manner, you are studying, in a manner you are reacting, in a manner you are taking your studies seriously, because this is not a study. This will become your passion when you will create a passion in your heart that you want to achieve something. In a passionate manner you are doing it. In such a normal manner you are doing it. So you can't say that you want to follow this. Is that clear? So the main thing is that you are agree with me or you are not agree with me? So just tell me.
How can you say that I'm not having I'm not feeling well and I'm not. How can you say that?
I can say, because I'm not blaming on you. I'm just saying this, that you applied a fire, but not a big fire, not a massive fire, which will devastate your laziness, which will devastate your your jokes, which will devastate your indisciplined behavior, which will devastate your unprofessionalism. Is that clear? So, which will devastate your your kind of, if you will say, the punctuality. Is that clear? So the main thing is that you burned a fire, but just a little bit smaller, like a matchstick. I'm talking about the earthquake. You're talking about a matchstick. There is a lot of difference in between matchstick and earthquake. Is that clear? I'm not demoralizing you, Mr. Radha, but I'm telling you that this is the way which you have to follow. Is that clear? So, guys, one panelist join me. I'm not doing a debate here. I just want to over the concept which I initiated half an hour back. And you guys back me up. I know about it. You guys got ruled out with the possibility which I just want to make. But the main thing is that now the time, we are out of time. So we are out of time, we have to overtime. But my closing statement which I just want to give is that, guys, don't become hopeless, because I have an endless hope that one day will come when you will pay the way of yours at your own, and you will be able to achieve anything whatever you want without any obstacle, without any hindrances, without any stepping blocks. Because one thing I just want to tell you, after 1 year, we won't assemble in this chapter. You will go there, you will go there, you will go there, you will go there. But you won't be able to reach in that stage where you want to be, because of your indiscipline and because of your indisciplined behavior and unacceptable behavior and unavoidable behavior. Is that clear? After 1 year, you will remember that Bhaiya told us something, but we didn't follow that track. I'm not saying you are not doing labor, you are doing labor, but you are just doing erratic efforts. And erratic efforts won't work. A continuous, persistent efforts will work. So, I will hope that you will go beyond all the hopes of mine, and you will do a hard work from now, from today itself, and you will be punctual from today itself. And the last thing which I just want to tell you is that you will be disciplined. You will come on time. Okay, Ms. Pinky? So, Now I just look over this discussion. Thank you very much for being with me, and thank you. I will hope that you will be having your experience and a good life.